I know it can sometimes feel really intimidating when you see people online flaunting how they flew to Asia in business class and stayed at the most luxurious hotels, and they say that they did this all using their credit card points. Meanwhile, they're like, oh, you can just get a business class ticket for 75,000 points, and you're like, it just took me 2 months to accumulate like 10,000 points. What do you mean 75,000? Trust me, I get it, but you have to keep in mind that most of these people, if not all of them, are usually business owners, and that means that they're spending anywhere from $10,000 to even north of $50,000 a month on business-related expenses and payroll. So they are dishing out some serious cash every single month, and that allows them to accumulate a ton of points really fast. The good news is that you can also earn a very decent amount of points quickly, even if you don't own a business, and also get those business class tickets to Asia or wherever you want to go. In this video, I'm going to cover 7 ways that you can earn credit card points, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Probably one of the easiest and quickest ways to get a very hefty amount of points fast is by number 1, getting a sign-up bonus when you open up a new credit card account. For example, if you sign up for the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card, they currently offer a 60,000 points welcome bonus when you sign up, and if you spend $3,000 within the first 4 months of account opening. These points, especially if you use them in the Chase travel portal, are worth around $750 if you spend it on travel. So that's a pretty sweet round-trip international flight. Similarly, the Capital One Venture X offers 75,000 bonus miles when you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months of account opening. So again, these are pretty significant numbers for points that you get just for opening up your credit card and spending the money that you normally would in the first few months. So as you can see, getting a sign-up bonus from a credit card or a welcome offer is definitely one of the easiest and quickest ways to get a lot of points. Now, if you already have a credit card that you've been spending money on and you're way past that welcome bonus offer window, then you can do option number 2, which is to buy points. This one is pretty straightforward. If you don't have enough points to get you where you want to get to, or enough points to stay at the hotel you want to stay at, most credit cards will let you buy points from their websites. Now, buying points isn't usually the best bang that you can get for your buck, but it can still come out to be a lot cheaper than what you would have to pay out of pocket for a flight or a hotel. Which then leads me into number 3, which is to take advantage of special promotions or offers. A lot of times, credit cards will run special promotions on buying credit card points. So this is a really good way to buy a lot of points at a good discount. This is usually more typical with airline and hotel credit cards. Now, another type of promotion is also a transfer promotion. For example, Chase Sapphire Reserve often runs promotions with their partners. For example, Hyatt is one of Chase's transfer partners, and from time to time, they will do a promotion where if you transfer your Chase points over to Hyatt, your points will be worth 80% more. This way, your points are worth way more and you get more bang for your buck. They do these promotions with Flying Blue as well, and I think with Flying Blue, Chase actually does a promotion every single month where your points are worth 40% more if you transfer them over. So take advantage of these special promotions, whether it be buying the points at a discount or transferring your points over from your credit card to a hotel or airline partner. That's how you really maximize your credit card points. If you're getting any value at all from this video, it would really mean a lot to me if you went ahead and hit that red subscribe button. This is why you will be notified anytime I upload similar videos. The 4th way to earn points through your credit card is by, well, spending money on your credit card, but maximizing your multipliers. Let's say if you have a family of 5 and you are out grocery shopping every other day and spending hundreds of dollars a week on groceries, it probably doesn't make sense for you to have a credit card which does not give you any multiplier points on the groceries category. Think strategically when you are signing up for a credit card about which credit card fits your lifestyle best and what types of things you spend money on in your daily life. What would make sense in this scenario where you have a family of 5 and you're grocery shopping a ton is for you to get a credit card that gives you like 5x points on groceries. So this means that for every dollar you spend on groceries, you will get 5 points. So these multipliers can really be a fast way to earn lots of points, depending on where you spend most of your money. If you dine out a lot, it would definitely make sense for you to get a credit card that has like a 10x on dining. So that means for every dollar you're spending on food at a restaurant, you get 10 points, and that will rack up really quick. But if you're somebody who cooks at home all the time and doesn't really eat out much, then it doesn't make sense for you to get a credit card with a 10x multiplier. But maybe it's a better idea to get a credit card, again, which has a multiplier on groceries. Number 5 is to link your credit card to loyalty programs. This is a great way to supercharge your points earnings, especially if you are loyal to specific airlines or hotel chains, because essentially when you book using your credit card and your card is linked to that loyalty program, you are double dipping. You're getting points in both places. So what this means is if your credit card is linked, for example, let's say that your credit card is linked to Club Accor hotels. I think they're called something else now, but the Accor program, and you book hotel rooms on the Club Accor's website while your credit card is linked, you will earn points both on your credit card and in the Club Accor program. Also, a lot of times if you do link your credit card, you will get exclusive perks like complimentary upgrades or other loyalty tier benefits. So make sure that you are linking your credit card to your loyalty programs, because this way you will earn double the points very easily without doing anything extra. Number 6 is to pay very large bills with your credit card if you can. Things like tuition, insurance, or even rent. Now, if you have the Build MasterCard, which I've talked about so much on this channel, then you know that you can use that credit card to pay for your rent. Now, if you're out living in the big city, then your rent could be anywhere from $3,000 to north of $5,000 a month. So if you're using your credit card to pay that monthly bill, then you will rack up points so quickly. The 7th way to earn credit card points is to refer a friend. Now this is super easy, and most credit cards will give you an option or a link when you log into their portal to refer a friend. So all you do is you go into your portal, you find that link and you copy it. And then if you have a friend that is looking to sign up for a credit card, send them your link. If they sign up using that, then depending on the credit card, you will get a bonus offer. So Chase, I think, does like 10,000 points, and that's pretty standard for most credit cards. They'll give you like 10 or 15,000 points for each friend that you refer. If you can't find this link anywhere online, then just call up your credit card company and ask them to help guide you on where you can find that link, or if they have any special promotions going on. Sometimes if you refer a friend, you'll get normally 10,000 points, but if they have a promotion going on, maybe you'll get like 20,000, and that's really significant. If you want to know how many points you can get for some welcome bonuses for some of the top travel credit cards on the market today, then I highly suggest you check out this video next, where I go over exactly that. I'll catch you in the next video.